Did you know the sun makes a sound? It's true. Our sun is constantly creating pressure waves, kind of like a never-ending cosmic symphony. But here's the catch. We can't hear it. Why not? Well, the wavelengths of these pressure waves are massive, measuring in hundreds of miles. That's way beyond the range of human hearing. Even if we could hear it, the sound would be more like a deep, constant hum that would surround us every day. Scientists have used special instruments to listen to the sun, translating these waves into sounds we can study. It's amazing to think that the sun, which powers life on Earth, also has its own hidden soundtrack, a soundtrack we'll never actually hear. Imagine the sun's silent song playing in the background of the universe. It's a reminder of how much there is left to discover in our cosmic neighborhood.